Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing my favorite lip combos, my go-to lip combos, and everything of that sort. So if you guys want to see my 4 top favorite lip combos, please keep watching. Okay guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and get started. So the first lip combo that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start light. I'm gonna go from light to dark. So I'm gonna show you guys my first favorite lip combo, and that is my nude lip. Okay, so I have my nude lip and then I have my pink nude lip. So the first one that I'm gonna do is my pink nude lip, and the first thing that I'm gonna do is line my lips using my Ruby Kisses lip liner in the shade Cocoa. So people always ask me, like, do I have lip filler? And I just be like, no, like I don't have my lips filled. This is the natural shape of my lip. The only thing that I do to my lips is I overline my top lip just a tad bit so that it lines up with my bottom lip, because if you guys can tell, my top lip is a little bit more in than my bottom lip, so I just overlined it a little bit to line up with my bottom lip. That's the only thing that I do. I don't have any lip filler, nothing like that. Okay, so let's get started with this lip. When I do my nude lip, just like any other lip, I like to do my top lip first, of course, just so I can get that out of the way. So I start from the inside and I work my way out. Just like that. As you guys can tell already, that has made a big difference on this side than this side. And then what I like to do is take my chapstick, lip balm, whatever you want to call it, and I put a little bit on my lips just so they're not dry under my lipstick. And then I take my lipstick, and this one is Makeup Revolution's Chauffeur, their lipstick in the shade Chauffeur, and it is a pinky nude. As you guys can see, you can get this from Ulta, super inexpensive. I think it might have been $7. They remind me a lot of MAC's lipsticks, even like the packaging. This is a Makeup Revolution lipstick, and this is a MAC lipstick. So as you guys can see, it's basically like they tried to make a dupe, but I really love this shade. So I'm just gonna take this and I just put it in the center of my bottom lip. I blot my lips together. And then I take my lip liner again and I just fix the lining on my lip, just because you don't want your lip liner to disappear. And then the last thing that I do is I take my lip gloss, and this one is in the shade Sugar Rimmed by MAC. This is their Dazzle Glass. And this is my pinky nude lip. Okay, I love this lip. And in case you guys didn't know, I am a lip gloss kind of girl. I prefer the way my lips look with lip gloss then matte. So most of the time if I'm doing a nude lip, it's glossy, and then when I do like darker lip shades like reds and stuff, I like them to be matte. So you guys are gonna see that by my different lip combos. But yes, this is my light pinky nude, my more neutral lip, everyday lip. This goes with anything, any eye shadow look, anything. This is like the go-to lip, okay? For my next lip combo, I'm gonna be doing my more brown nude lip combo. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is take my Ruby Kisses lip liner, and this one's in the shade brown. This one is definitely darker than the other one. So I have to be really light with this one because it goes on really dark. Okay, so I'm just gonna line my lips with this, and then we're gonna get into the actual lip colors that we're gonna put on the lip. I forgot that I actually do mix the brown lip liner with the cocoa lip liner. So I'm just gonna take this and just run it over it just to tone it down a bit. Cause like I told you guys, it is kind of dark. And now for the actual lip shade, I'm gonna take a lip brush. Actually, I'm gonna take my Anastacio Lip Kit, and I'm gonna take the brush that's in it. This is the little brush that comes in it. Just looks like this, so you can scoop the shade out. And I'm just gonna take this shade right here, this brown, neutral brown shade right here, and I'm gonna place that all over my lips. And then I'm gonna take my cocoa lip liner again and just line my lips once more. That is this lip. Now you have the option of either leaving this the way it is, which is nude, or you can do what I do and add a gloss. I just feel like gloss takes lip, you know, looks up a notch. Plus, I don't like looking dry. I don't like looking ashy. For some reason, matte lips make me feel like my lips look ashy. So I tend to wear gloss just out of feeling like that. So this is the lip with gloss on. As you guys can see, it just took it up a notch. Like, how can you not like a glossy lip? I love glossy lips. But yeah, this is the more brown nude lip that I wear. This is when I don't feel like being too bright of a lip, but I don't want to do a dark lip. So this is my in-between. Super pretty. So for the next lip, I'm gonna take my Ruby Kisses lip liner, and this one is in the shade Burgundy Wine, and I'm just going to line my lips like normal. So for the lipstick, I'm gonna take my MAC lipstick in the shade Capricious, and this is a luster lipstick, which means it's more sheer, it's not super matte. And I'm just gonna place this all over the lip. So this is also one of those lips that you can just leave as is, or you can add gloss. Of course, I am going to add gloss because we are doing my favorite lip combos. So I'm going to be taking my clear gloss again by Nika K, and I'm just going to place this on the lip just to give it a little bit more. This is my when I want to be a little bit more vampy lip, okay? You know, I love this. It's kind of pinky, kind of purpley, just really cute. Okay, so this was done using the NYX, where is it? The the Ruby Kisses lip liner in the shade Berry Jam, and my MAC Capricious lipstick, and this is a luster lipstick and a clear gloss. Okay, so for the last lip, I'm going to be doing my red lip, my go-to red lip. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take my brown lip liner by Ruby Kisses. This is the same brown lip liner that I used a little bit earlier, and I'm going to line my lips. So when I do red lips, I like a more ombre red lip than just a flat out bright red lip with no lip liner. I personally don't like that look on myself. So I'm just going to show you guys the kind of lip that I do, because everybody cannot be like Alyssa Ashley and just put a red lip on and look good. Okay, I personally don't like the way it looks on me. I've tried it, so this is the red lip that works for me. So hopefully, if you guys don't like just the regular red lip, hopefully the one that I do will help you as well. Okay, so yeah, let me line my lips with this brown lip liner. And then on top of that, I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses lip liner in Cocoa. Before I do my matte lip, I like to take my chapstick again, and I'm going to add a little of that, just so my lips aren't like crazy dry under this. And the first red that I'm going to take is my Anastacio liquid lipstick, and this one is in the shade Sapphire, or is this? No, it's Seraphim, not Sapphire, Seraphim. And I'm just going to take this and line the outer portion of my lips. And for the inner portion of the lip, I'm going to take my ColourPop liquid lipstick, and this one's in the shade Creeper. Just going to go back in with that brown lip liner. Okay guys, so this is what the red lip looks like right after I'm done, or it, you know, dries down on its own. But this is not how I like to keep my red lip. So what I do is I take a eyeshadow brush, any kind of eyeshadow brush, and I take a little bit of translucent powder and I just dab it on my lips. And just like that, it is fully matte. Okay guys, so this is the final lip look, and it is my go-to red lip. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed all 1, 2, 3, 4 of my go-to lip combos, my favorite lip combos, whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. I hope you guys start wearing these lips. I hope you guys go out and get these products because I really love them, and I feel like you guys will love them too. So yeah, let me know down below if you guys are interested in trying these lip combos. Let me know which one was your favorite. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, every lip product that I used, I will definitely link it down below in the description box. And yes, bye you guys. I will see you in the next video tomorrow.